So friends, you want to be an entrepreneur. No matters you have idea or don't have idea. That doesn't make any difference. Because the whole journey of entrepreneurship is broken in four parts. The first is idea, but it's not only about thought, because you have to really understand the idea means a complete business model. So you have to learn how to nurture and build that idea into business model. The second is all the information and statistics required to really build that business model into a prototype or sample product. Third is very important to understand the risk analysis, because unless you don't know all the probabilities and calculations of your business, that means your financial model, you are not able to take a good decisions. You will not understand how your business is going to turn, how your business is going to convert, and what all factors going to impact on your businesses in today's status and in coming period. So you need to really understand how to convert your idea into business model to financial model. And at the end, very important that most of the people think if they have unique idea, they can really convert that into business. No guys, it's not only about building a business model, because that is a separate subject, but you are trying to create an organization, you are trying to create a company, and that means you have to really understand, being a lead of the organization, being an entrepreneur, how to build organization. An organization means your team, your supplier, your vendor, your staff, your ecosystem, your process systems, so you can really run that company smoothly and really scale that company the way you want. So guys, most of the people are making mistake because they think they have an idea or they are really having something great in their mind they can convert into business, but you have to go through the process. And I don't say it is going to be easy journey. You have to really learn this whole process. So for this, I'm conducting a 60-minute webinar to really make you understand the whole roadmap of this entrepreneurship. If you really want to understand, before you start your entrepreneurship, please come join my 60-minute masterclass, understand, learn the whole roadmap, and then cautiously take the decision. Guys, most of the time we are always thinking about it, but we are not taking a call. It's not about me, it's about you, because you want to be an entrepreneur. So don't expect me to remind you. It's your call, it's your decision. You want to be an entrepreneur. So make your calendar book for coming Sunday 7 p.m. Click on the below link, register now, and ensure that you attend this webinar, because this will make your mind clear. This will make you clear about the whole journey. And whatever questions, queries, or risk factors we have in our mind, we can discuss, because I know you people are looking for solution, and we will only talk about solutions here. We are not talking about how you will build it. We are not talking about how you are going to be a big person or how you will make big money out of this. Let's understand, because first, readiness is important. If you can really understand the whole process of this building process, you can really make your mind to decide. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you will take your call and you will move ahead. And my motive and idea is to give you all that clarity so you can make your path smooth and not make any mistakes. I'm inviting you, and I'll be waiting you in my webinar on coming Sunday 7 p.m. Please register your seat now and ensure that you come on time and take the full advantage of this webinar. My name is Praful Chhatrapati. I'm a serial entrepreneur and coach. All the best. Thank you very much.